Welcome to the new Matrix 4D Foilayage Technique. Our ultra-dimensional lightening and toning service. Begin by priming the hair with insecure porosity spray and ensure even distribution. Next, neatly divide the hair from front to back to create manageable sections. Take a subsection extending from the parietal ridge to the radial parting for a targeted approach. Now, using your hairdryer and a wide-tooth comb, stretch the hair to elongate the curls by detangling the ends first, then the midshaft, and then the roots. Continue working around the head using the same sectioning and stretching technique until all the curls have been elongated. Once all the hair is stretched, divide the hair into 9 triangular subsections and be sure your sections are balanced and neat. Twist each subsection and secure them with a clip. Begin the lightening application at the hairline on the front right side. Take a diagonal back parting and gently brush the delicate hair forward away from the rest of the hair. Using a medium weave pattern, apply the lightener from roots to ends. Fold the foil and secure. Repeat the same technique, but take a large weave pattern for a bolder result. Now, move behind the hairline and take a horizontal parting. Gently backcone from mid-lengths to the base of the section. Apply high riser in a V shape, painting the edges while saturating the ends. Layer the foils and fold them towards the center. Repeat another 4D technique to complete this subsection. Continue with diagonal back partings and move upward towards the top of the section. To create more dimension, alternate between different highlighting application methods. Use 4D, weaving, and slicing techniques in rotation. This approach will give the hair that sought-after dimension, making it truly stand out. Once the subsection is complete, it's time to add that extra touch of brightness to the ends. Paint the mid-lengths and the ends of the hair using a foil. This will create beautiful contrast and brightness on the ends, enhancing the overall effect. Backcomb, weave, paint, layer the foils, and enclose. Now onto the top. Separate the fringe down the center and take a horizontal parting at the hairline. Use a fine weave and apply high riser from roots to ends. Repeat this weave application about 3 foils back, alternating between fine and thick weaves. Repeat the same technique on the other side of the fringe. You'll be left with a triangular shape on top. To complete the fringe section, take a horizontal parting through the triangle and gently backcomb. Then apply the lightener from mids to ends, layer the foils, and enclose. Now repeat everything on the other side. For the toning, disconnect the front hairline by taking a 1 to 2 inch section from ear to ear. Apply Tonal Control 7GM Miss Mocha at the roots. Then, on the remaining roots, apply Tonal Control 5NW Gold Standard. Now onto the ends. Use Tonal Control 9NCV Caramel Dreams and apply from mid-lengths through the ends. Be sure to fully saturate the hair and remember that the curlier the hair type, the more color you will need. Process for the full 20 minutes, then rinse well and condition. And there she is, our new 4D Foilayage Sizzling Sunset.